How to thread a needle. There are many different types of needle available. They can be tricky to thread, so I'm going to give you some top tips. I'm using a needle with a large eye and a piece of wool. Look at how I'm holding the wool. It's very difficult to put the wool through the eye of the needle. The piece of wool or thread is made up of lots of different fibres that are twisted together. If your thread is frayed, it's going to be really difficult to thread your needle, so snip off the end with a pair of sharp scissors. And now, if you hold the thread in between your thumb and forefinger and just gently push through the eye of the needle, you should find that the thread will go through quite easily. Pull the thread out the other side. And to practice again, snip off the frayed end, hold the thread in between your thumb and forefinger, push through the eye of the needle and pull. An alternative method is to fold the thread in half and again squeeze it between your thumb and forefinger and just push through the eye of the needle. I'm going to demonstrate the same method now using thread and one of the smaller needles. So look, holding slightly in, the thread just bends. Snip off the edge so you've got a sharp point. Hold the thread closely in between your thumb and forefinger and just push the thread through the eye of the needle. It does take a bit of practice, so don't worry if you don't get it right first time. And again, snip off the thread so you've got a sharp point, hold in the correct position between your thumb and forefinger and push through the eye of the needle. Now we're almost ready to start sewing, but you need to make sure that you pull one length of thread so it's longer than the other. Can you see what I'm doing here? And then we're going to tie a knot in the longer edge. So make a loop with the thread and push the end of the thread through the loop and pull it gently. And now we're ready to start sewing.